Hey guys, welcome to another video about the 67Stang. So first off, what do you think about the new intro? I've been trying to play around, spice things up, I don't know, anyway, make it a little bit more entertaining than just starting with the kind of title page. Anyway, so just want to do a quick video. So yesterday I was out here trying to figure out next steps and how I was going to do the engine harness and all those things, and I decided to get in here and kind of clean up some more of the wiring underneath, check all the grounds and do some stuff like that. And in doing that, I decided, well, I'll go ahead and do the wiper harness. It's really the only other major harness aside from, I still got to redo the steering column harness here. I got to actually clip this off and rewire it to match the new harness. Anyway, I was going to go ahead and do this. I thought it'd be simple. I mean, it's got all of the connectors on it. Thought it would be easy. Well, I got underneath, and one of the things is these plugs here, and there's 4 of them. There's the other one, and all the spaghetti. These actually hook to what I call the squirter pump. You know, the thing to clean your windshield with that activates the wipers and all that. It's 4 plugs, already terminated. I thought it'd be easy. Got the directions right here, and I started looking at the directions, and I'll go ahead and put a better image up so you can see it. But if you look here at the block on here, it shows a connector that appears to have 3 on one side and 2 on the other. Well, I got down and looked under there, and as you can see here, it looks like I've got 2, 2, and 1, not 3 and 2, and that was very confusing for me. So what I realized as I look back at, and flip back to the instructions here, is if you pay close attention on here, you'll notice that on the gold connectors shown on here, that each one has a little line that indicates kind of a blade, where the connectors, those 4 connectors I was showing you here, plug in. Now, it's not obvious in looking at the picture, at least it wasn't to me, that that was what it was indicating. Once you realize that, you can begin to see how this is going to actually plug in. So, like I said, it was very confusing. I just wanted to show y'all that. So what I'm going to do now, I'm not sure if I can get the camera under here in a way that you'll be able to see what I'm doing. I'll try. But I'm going to go ahead and get that plugged in, and then route the plug for the switch. So the wiper switch that's on the instrument cluster we've already redone, plugs in here, and then the wiper motor itself plugs in here. So I'm going to get all that done. This shouldn't take too long and be pretty quick. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in here, try to get the camera set up in some way where maybe you can see what I'm doing. So let's get at it. Okay guys, so I think I've got you in there now. Sorry if I knock you over. I'm going to go ahead and plead innocent at this point. So I'm going to go ahead and hook these up, and then we'll worry about running everything. So get my 4 leads right here. Okay. And so it looks like the furthest one back in the middle doesn't get a connector, but that bottom middle is going to be the black and yellow connector. So I've got my black and yellow connector here, and I'm going to try to hook it. This is hard for me to see. Oops, sorry about that, guys. Get my other hand. Here's now. Yeah. So this one should go right. There, well, let's get it around. Maybe what it be And what I'm going to do, because this all has to run up to the top, let's try getting it like this. And then there we go. Okay. That one's... I probably should have done that one. That's the next one I'll do. We'll see. Hopefully I don't have to pull that one off. I'll go back to look at the instructions. That one. Oops, pull my arm out. And that should be the red with blue stripe. Red with blue stripe, which is this one. Right here. Okay, yep, that needs to come off, and it's in the way. Get that one. Well, maybe. Can. There we go. Nope, I got it on there. Okay. So that's that one. Yep, my arm. Now I'm having to stick my arm through where the temperature control is. So the next one on the top is the red with a white stripe, which is this dude right here. So slide my arm back through there. Get the light switch connector out of my way. Just still have it knocked up, and this should go. Oops, again, sorry. This should get right. That connector right there. Okay, so we got the yellow, black there, the red with white here, the red with blue, and the very back on the top, and then that leaves this connector right there, which should be the black. I assume that's a ground. I don't know that, but that would make sense. It's black, and most of the time there we go. Use that one blank, yellow and black, and black, and then red with white, and then red with blue. Okay, so we've got all of the connections for the wiper harness hooked up under here. All that remains now is to take this mess and feed it back up through the top so it can get in a place to plug in to the wiper switch. There we go. I don't know why I was stopping so long on that one. And then to route to the wiper motor switch that's over here. Okay, so I'm not going to show y'all all that. No big deal. You can run wires up through. One thing I also want to show you that I've done, I pull this out a little bit. Let's see if I can get where you can see it. So back up there. So that's the relay that goes with the optional seatbelt warning light that mounts down here. So I've gone ahead and done that, and that's what you see dangling here. So this will mount. There's that thing. Anyway, it'll mount somewhere in here. So it'll go there underneath where the cigarette ashtray, all that stuff is there. Let's see what else. Oh, I found out that this wire here goes up in there. This is for the light bulb for the, the shifter right there that lights up which gear you're in. So there's a candelabra connection, they call it. That's a 3-plug connection. Let's see if I can get back up in there, if you can see that. Yep, it's right. Whoops. It's right here. So that's where that plugs in. That's not really clear on the instructions, so wanted to let you know that. Other things that I've done is I've run wires over here. So I've got the button in on the door that, let's open the door, does the, the dome light turns on and off when you open and close the door. You see the gap there because I don't have the kick plates in that will fill that up. Whatnot, so a little bit more, but there we go. Anyway, so as I said, now you can see how to wire that in if there's any question. Like I said, I was a little baffled at first. Posted something on the Facebook group for the Auto Resto Mod Facebook group, and got a quick answer on how that worked. And once he told me to look at it that way, the instructions that way, it made perfect sense. So anyway, hope you found it helpful. I'm going to keep working on some things. Like I said, get that rerun and all that. But again, you don't need to see how we run the rest of the wires for the wiper motor, at least, or not wiper motor, well, wipers altogether. But with that, look forward to seeing y'all in the next video. Please make sure to give us a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. We're over 50 subscribers now, which is a good start, but want to keep getting more. So with that, see you later.